Here are 10 ways you can save money when purchasing a used car. 1. Research and comparison. Take the time to research different makes, models, and years of used cars to find the best value for your needs. Compare prices, features, and reliability to make an informed decision. 2. Set a budget. Determine how much you can afford to spend on a used car and stick to that budget. This will help you avoid overspending and ensure you're getting a good deal. 3. Buy from private sellers. Purchasing directly from a private seller can often be cheaper than buying from a dealership since there are no additional overhead costs or commissions involved. However, be sure to get the car inspected by a mechanic before finalizing the deal. 4. Consider older models. Cars depreciate the most in their early years. By considering older models, you can find vehicles that still have good reliability but at a significantly reduced price. 5. Avoid unnecessary features. Focus on the essential features you need in a car and avoid unnecessary extras that can increase the price. For example, a basic stereo system may suffice instead of a high-end entertainment package. 6. Check for discounts and promotions. Keep an eye out for discounts, promotions, and special offers from dealerships or sellers. These can include seasonal sales, clearance events, or incentives on certain models. 7. Get a vehicle history report before purchasing a used car. Obtain a vehicle history report to check for any past accidents, damages, or title issues. This helps you make an informed decision and avoid potential future expenses. 8. Consider fuel efficiency. Choosing a used car with good fuel efficiency can save you money on gas in the long run. Look for models known for their economical fuel consumption. 9. Negotiate the price. Don't be afraid to negotiate the price with the seller, whether it's a private seller or a dealership. Be prepared to walk away if the price isn't right and explore other options. 10. Insurance and maintenance costs. Research insurance rates for the car you're considering before making a purchase. Additionally, consider maintenance and repair costs, as some models might have higher expenses due to rare parts or specialized mechanics. Remember, it's important to balance the initial cost savings with the long-term reliability and condition of the car. Don't compromise on safety or maintenance needs just to save money up front. Please like this video and subscribe. Thank you.